Once the floor has been properly prepared, it is time for the top coat. EpoxyShield Garage Floor Kit protects and beautifies the floor, allowing it to be easily cleaned while offering a showroom quality finish. Once the floor has been properly prepared, now you're ready for the floor coating. To start, knead side A and B of the burst pouch, making sure to include the corners. Roll part B towards part A to burst the pouch. Shake the pouch for 2 to 3 minutes to thoroughly mix the product. After the required induction time, pour some of the product into a paint tray. Stand the pouch up in the EpoxyShield Garage Floor Kit box until ready for the next section. Using a good quality brush, cut in the edges of the floor prior to rolling. Roll the product evenly in a 4 foot by 4 foot area, always maintaining a wet edge. Sprinkle decorative chips on the rolled out area by throwing them up into the air, then move on to the next 4 foot by 4 foot section. Continue this process until the entire floor has been coated. The newly coated floor will be ready for light foot traffic in 24 hours and vehicle or heavy traffic after 3 days. If a higher gloss is desired, top coat the floor with EpoxyShield Premium Clear Floor Finish.